Hello everyone, and welcome to IPAIC video tutorials. This is the second lesson, and it's about managing securities. We categorize securities in IPAIC using exchanges like NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange, using securities into basic goods, industrial, etc. But this is not yet implemented. And finally using security types like common stocks, commodities, etc. We store price data in a bar format, which is open, close, high, low, and volume. Data can be recorded in multiple data frames, like daily and hourly, and features are automatically extracted for each record as they are imported to the system. Features are other calculated numbers from open, close, high, low, and volume, like average or change from the previous record. Let's jump to the system and see that in action. So let's go to securities. This is a list of securities that we can easily filter. We can get only NASDAQ exchange securities, or we can select by type from common stocks, commodities, options, and bonds. We can define new exchanges from exchanges. We have 3 exchanges right now defined in the system. Let's open one of them. Basically, to define new exchange, you will select the symbol for that exchange, put the full name, and select which country does it reside in. You can add a new country to the system just by clicking this green button. We can import new data to the system from comma separated value. The format the system recognizes is date, open, high, low, close, and volume. It doesn't matter which ordering are they in, as long as you have all the columns and the first letter of each word is capitalized. It's case sensitive. And it's just a normal comma separated value format. We will actually import a new stock into the system, and let's see how can we do that. To import a new stock, we will have to select one. We will import this stock into the system. It's a NASDAQ exchange. We'll just get the name. We'll go to import logs, add import log. We'll select the comma separated value from our log, and we'll upload it to the system. Now we don't have the security yet defined in the system, so we can define this new one. We'll just click on the green button here. Basically, we typed the symbol, we entered the name of that exchange, we selected which of that security, and we selected which exchange does it belong to. We don't have any sectors yet, but you can define a new one. And finally, the type is common stock. Let's save, and let's save that. Now this initiated a task for the system to import all records in this file. We can actually see the content of the file in here, and the system started a task to import those records in the system. So what we want to do is monitor this task to make sure that it finished what it's supposed to do. We can monitor that from celery flour. If you will go to workers, you will see there are no running tasks. So this means the task that we started was already finished, because it was not a very long log, as you can see in here. Let's go and confirm that. We'll go to daily records. That might take a second to load. Okay, we have those new records in the system. They start from October 25th, 2013, and they stop at January 24th, 2014. So we would like actually to update the system and get the latest records for this security. The way to do that is using HTTP imports. This will actually import data from any HTTP source for price data. We have already a predefined one for Nasdaq. We'll just add our new security to this list and we'll hit save. This will start a task to update every stock in Nasdaq stock exchange, and we can monitor that also from Celery. We can see the number of completed tasks is 103, and there is one running task and it's over. If we'll go back in here to confirm that we imported the latest records, we can see that now we have records until the 14th of February, which is the latest available record. So that's importing comma separated value files and HTTP imports. You can define new sources in the system, and the way to do that is to go to streams and HTTP sources, where we already have a predefined one for Yahoo Historical API, but you could add any other source that you have. You will basically name the source. You will put whatever parameter preparation code you need to put in here, the actual request code, and any post processing that you need to do with your data, like converting dates or something like that. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you with the next lesson, and it's about understanding the features. Thank you.